Hello everyone, it's Shane Kanto, your Wasteland reviewer, and I'm here to review The Sound of Identity. And this is a new documentary from director James Kicklighter about the first transgender woman performing as Don Giovanni in opera. And this focuses on Lucia Lucas, who is this opera singer who is a trans woman who is breaking down barriers by performing as this really famous male character in opera. And the documentary is structured in a way that it's a lot of like those interviews like straight at the camera, and they're well shot. The Kicklighter puts together a well shot and well paced documentary here for the 90 minutes that we're sitting and watching this film. You're really engrossed into this story, and Lucas is a very big personality and a very engaging speaker, and you're sitting there really caring about the plight that she is going through as she is putting herself out there and opening herself up to a lot of criticism and big global coverage, global media coverage of this event, because opera is a big deal in a lot of places. And honestly, I would love to see the opera someday. I've never been. Probably go with a nice Italian opera, represent. But this film really puts a spotlight on what really is a big microcosm of entertainment in general, and the idea of who should be able to play what characters, and especially fictional characters. You see the anger and Aquaman being cast with Jason Momoa. Where's the blonde-haired guy with the orange and green costume? No, but Jason Momoa is great. Makes a lot of sense. You have a lot of characters whose race is changed or whose gender might be changed, and you have this particular situation in a very traditional setting of opera and breaking down these barriers. And Lucas talks a lot about being a trendsetter and bringing in the new audiences, having these LGBTQ plus community members who have never experienced opera, who might not have, and are being brought in because they have this representation. And this documentary does a great job of building up that narrative and presenting it in an interesting and engaging and efficient way. This documentary doesn't wear out its welcome, but you do get a nice dive into the life and the preparations of Lucia Lucas, who's preparing for this performance that's going to change opera forever. And that's something special. And getting a chance to see that portrayed in this documentary, The Sound of Identity, I loved it. And no, this isn't like the most groundbreaking of documentaries from a technical standpoint or anything like that. But it's a very important documentary about identity and about representation, and is very heartfelt in portraying this woman. And you get to have some nice emotional beats of her speaking with her wife over FaceTime and stuff like that. Don't know if technically FaceTime, but you know what I mean. Video chat. But you have those moments. You have these tough conversations with some people that might not be ready for this change. And this documentary does a great job of finessing through these challenging and big ideas and presenting them in a meaningful and easily digestible way in this documentary. And I think The Sound of Identity is definitely worth checking out. It features a commanding presence from Lucia Lucas at the center of the story, this true story that has so much potential, and this film really maximizes telling it. But those are my thoughts on The Sound of Identity. Let me know what you think, and let's talk some movies. But thank you as always for tuning in and supporting your Wasteland reviewer.